Implementations of ERP systems are never easy. Martin from Gurus made that very clear to us early on. I think he said 50% of them fail. We really came to understand that the partnership with the implementation company is really key to the success of the project overall. Gurus actually wasn't our first partner on this project. We had originally worked with a local company that really struggled with the complexity of our business. We recognized that we had a stake in this, and Gurus was great about helping us understand what that stake was and how we contribute to the overall success of the project. And I think what really made Gurus the right partner for us was their ability to understand our business, and they took their familiarity with the software, took the time to learn what we did, and helped us understand how to connect those two things together to make the business better. I'm sure that is one of the bigger reasons why we were able to get a successful implementation.